So over here you can see that I have some calendar events right here, but you may not have the calendar events shown on a particular section right here, and you may want to go ahead and search for the calendar event. In that case, over here on the top you can see that I can go ahead and then simply search for my event. Let's go around and expand this, and you can see all of the events right here. But let's say I want to go around and search for the event with the name sample in it. And in that case, you can see that I get the sample event right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I'm in another column, but if I were to click on sample right here, then it'll redirect me out to that particular event right here, no matter where I am. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go back, but if I were to go around and then click on this particular event, then you can see that this particular day with the event is highlighted. Similarly with the day as well, so if I were to navigate around, I can click on that particular event, then it'll redirect me to that particular day. Or same goes with the month as well, it is highlighted as I click around over here, as you can see. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and see all of the events right here, just like this. You can go for all future events right here, or you can go for events in the past right here, events in the next 6 months, and so forth, and filter it out as well. If I were to erase this, you can go around and choose events in the past, and this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and set up for calendar events inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.